she's gonna go more lean towards Brian.
Are you gonna look like your brother?
It's just the closest thing you're getting to the boy. It's not gonna look like him. Did he have a lot of hair when he was born?
Oh yeah. So what?
Put your hand there. Getting in the way of
Oh,
video.
I didn't know you were videoing. I wanted to look at her hair. It's a dark shade like Anne's. Mariah will be the only blonde. Oh. You had a rough half hour. You had a good grip.
Seems content.
Now her eyes are closed, but that mouth is, that little tongue is going. Till she gets.
I picked up some of the smaller bottles today too. Oh, I was tired to tell you, I got a really cool bag to carry that keeps them cold.